everyone, my name is Nikita, and today I'm going to show you how to get, how to get Bridge, and not only download it, but how to start using it. So let's get into the video right now. First, open your browser on your computer. It can be any browser, like Google Chrome I have. I'm gonna open my Google Chrome right now. Firefox, anything will work. Maybe even this one, the Microsoft Internet Explorer or Microsoft whatever. Now what we're going to do is Google something or Yahoo something or whatever. But what we're going to do is Google up solved div. Like this. S in the first and D last. Like this. This is very important. Now, once we hit enter, we're going to go to this link. Solve dev GitHub. Don't click on his Twitter. Don't click on this. Don't click on this. Click on this. I mean, we could have clicked on that, but it's easier for me, I think, to go from here. Now, this is his GitHub. What we are going to do is click on bridge core/bridge. You might want to follow around and look at his GitHub later, and you don't need to sign up. Yeah, you don't need to sign up, but you're going to click on bridge core/bridge. Now, once you click on that, it's gonna be all these files, and some people get lost here. But if we scroll down, there will be bridge, and then download the latest version. Click on this. The latest version, I guess, is 1.17.6. Click on that again, just in case. It'll take you probably to the same page. He released this 2 hours ago. So now find the correct file. I mean, people also get lost here, but what you do is you just find the correct file. I mean, for example, I'm Windows, so I found the .exe file. Get it? So now you find the correct file for you. And yeah, so I'm going to click on this. Bridge web setup 1.16.exe. And now it's probably going to say this, and then we have to click on this and keep, because it's not commonly downloaded. That's why Windows blocks it, because it's not commonly downloaded. So what I'm going to do is just keep it, because it's just the files that's not commonly downloaded. It's normal. And then click on open. And again, it's not commonly downloaded, so whatever. An unrecognized app from starting. Maybe Microsoft ordered for them to block Bridge. Nah, it's just not commonly downloaded. So now, I click on run anyway, and the reason I'm doing this is because, with my experience, when I downloaded something from Microsoft, I played Minecraft. Yes, I do play Minecraft, and when I downloaded something from Microsoft, it blocked it the same way. So that's probably the reason not many people use it. Microsoft blocks its own thing because not many people use it. Yeah, so we're just going to click on run. It's not going to download the virus. I installed it and I uninstalled it for you guys to show you. So now, let's wait until it finishes installing. And now, yeah. So it might get stuck somewhere. That's okay. Yeah. So now give this. Now, oh yeah, it's done. Now it's installing. Come on, come on, come on, and yes. All right, it finished installing, I think. Yeah. Now it opens up for you. So when it opens up, you're going to see this, and now when it loads, you'll see this. Now I already have a few behavior packs they saved, of course. Um, yeah. So the first thing you want to do is create new project. So click on this. You don't have a project, so click on this, and they're gonna be probably something with create new project. Yeah. So I'm on the way to search a bridge. I'm gonna pick 1.16.100, not the 0.200, 0.100. It's the best version. So far, you can make good pickaxes and stuff. Now, first, we are going to name our project. Of course, that will be demo project. And now, namespace. Now, let me explain this to you. The namespace is basically what like before this. So, let me explain here. So mine. So some people have whatever namespaces. So Minecraft has mine. So Minecraft, and then mm, for example, gold ingot. So their namespace is Minecraft. Now, bridge is that sneaky. They used to have it like very hard to reach. So it was always bridge, and yeah. So now, but here I'm going to change it to my namespace NMK. I always use that for some reason. Whatever you use, you can use that. So now I'm going to type demo project. Oh yeah, and I'm going to type in VP. Alright, so, and we're gonna hit create. Once it loads, yeah, once it loads, there should be this over here. I'm using the latest version of Bridge 1.7.16. So, yeah. And now we're going to create a resource pack. So we have a resource pack. Now we're going to name it demo project. And then we're going to make it demo pro in caps lock project resource pack. RP or RP for short. No, create. So now we have our resource pack with all of this and a behavior pack with all of this. Now there's one thing called manifest. That's what I'm going to go on. Format version, whatever, header, pack name, pack description. So yeah, it's basically something that Bridge does automatically for you, which is unlike some else other programs. I mean, unlike Mojang's version with the vanilla packs, and you have to delete all those files that you don't need and stuff. You can just do this. It's that simple. It just does it automatically for you. You don't have to click on manifest on any of those. If you know what the manifest is. Manifest is basically the main voice of it. It has to, like, the manifest has to work, has to be valid for you if you want to, like, make the pack downloadable. and working. That. Now let's check out some tools Bridge got for us. It has a new file, so we can make a new file and like you can make a trade, a spawn rule, script, recipe, map area, load table, language file, item, function, feature rules, feature, entity, component, command, block, biome, animation control, and animation. I mean, I don't think you even knew this existed. I'm gonna hit, uh, I'm gonna close that, and now you're going to go into the tools, snippets. You have to open a file to use snippets, but now tools and presets. The best thing in the world. So while you're a beginner, and then the first thing you do is use the snippets. Like it'll create an armor set. So put in the identifier. You can make a new sword, a preset also. You can even make a new ore, and it automatically makes it a natural generating thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the armor because it's probably the most confusing. So all you do is put in the material. For example, I'm gonna put in wine and then create. And now once it loads, we're gonna go to bridge. Yeah, here and there are animation controllers, custom item behaviors, entities, the player, and functions none but items. One boots, one chestplate, one helmet, one leggings. Once we click on one of them, Minecraft Island going version, it adds your namespace. And now you can edit how much durability it has, max durability and damage chance of this enchantable, what is the enchanting level of it, armor, how much protection does, yeah, all that fun stuff. You can even change the icon texture, but we're not going to change that because now you're going to the resource pack and going to textures and items. Now one boots.png, chestplate, one helmet, and my leggings. Now if you want to edit these, you click on one of them and then reveal in File Explorer. Now I'm gonna go on to my File Explorer here, and then there they all are. Now I want to make them all green, but for the sake of saving time, I'm going to make only one green. For example, I use Paint 3D for it. I think mostly we have it, and if I have another program, but now I like to edit it with Paint 3D for the sake of saving time. But right now we gotta save, I'm gonna copy the thing because you'll see in a second. Sorry, I had a few technical problems there, so I'm gonna skip ahead here. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe. What I'm going to do is make them lime or green, whatever. Please wait, opening file. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is use the fill tool to do this and make them on. Now, it might not look that way, but I'm just saving time here. So, because we need to save time, you guys might want to make it a little bit more interesting, but I just saved time, save, and just hit Control S, and now I'm boots over here. and then one boots. If you refresh this, it's still not going to work because this is bridge and you have to restart bridge to see the changes. But I know we made a change. So yes, that's how you make armor. So now you can go into a preset and like do a block preset, or even do an or is probably the most complex presets that I saw. Yeah, and they should add a TNT preset here so you can make TNT explosions a little bit easier. So yeah, that pretty much almost covers the basics. Now I'm going to show you the new file, and then for example block, and you can do a blank block, you can do a blank component, and now the templates here are, yeah, so you can, TNT is actually an entity, so you can do a TNT.json and customize it to make it a little bit like, more custom. A custom TNT, for example. Yeah. So if you want me to do more videos on Bridge, then tell me in the comments below. You don't have to subscribe. I mean, just keep track of my videos. I would love for you to subscribe, but you don't have to. But please, I would like you to subscribe, but you can always unsubscribe later. You don't have to subscribe. Ah, okay, enough said about Bridge. And if you want me to do more videos, then tell me. Bye.